Welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your password in case you have forgotten in Writesonic AI. So first thing first, look for the browser. You can use any browser that you like. You can use Chrome or Firefox, but now I'm using Safari. Now go to the address bar and type in Writesonic AI's official website, which is writesonic.com, and click on enter. Now this is the first interface that you'll see as soon as you open the official website of Writesonic. Now look for the sign in option at top right corner just beside get started button and click on it, and here you'll see a login page. Now go to the lost your password option down below and click on it. Now put the business email that you have used to register, and after that click on continue. Now a confirmation mail has been sent to your email. Now go to the mail and look for the mail sent by Writesonic AI. Now open it and click on verify email address tab. Now you can create a new password for yourself. Make sure it is easy and strong for you to remember. Now retype your password to confirm it, and after that click on continue. So now your password has been updated successfully. That's how you reset your password on Writesonic AI. Now you can use the same password to log in. First thing first, type your email and then go to sign in with password option. Now put the password that you have just created to reset and click on sign in option. So now you have logged in successfully with the new password. That's how you reset your password on Writesonic AI. I hope this video was helpful. We have come to the end of the video. I'll see you next time with another tutorial video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.